Hi, I'm Dr. Ivan Puah, and I founded Amaris B Clinic in 2004. I'm an accredited liposuction doctor and medical aesthetics doctor based in Singapore. I've been trained directly under Dr. Alfredo Hoyos and Dr. John Millard for visa liposuction, and Dr. Pierre Fournier for liposculpture, fat grafting, and thread lift, and also under Dr. Delgado for dedicated surgical training in gynecomastia surgery in San Francisco. Today, we're going to talk about exosome therapy. Exosome therapy is a new innovative treatment that doctors use for skin and tissue rejuvenation. It is actually a natural nanoparticles released by our human cells, including skin cells. It contains various biological markers such as lipids, proteins, amino acids, peptides, and so on. What does exosome therapy do? Exosomes are messengers which carry critical information to cells, which helps them mediate or regulate the surrounding tissue to help them repair or rejuvenate the skin and connective tissue. Exosomes are typically applied topically to the skin. However, due to their nanoparticle nature, they cannot penetrate deep skin layers. The only way to allow the nanoparticles or exosomes to reach the internal tissues is to have medical device treatments which create microscopic wounds, which allows the exosomes to penetrate and be absorbed by the deep layers. Exosome therapy harnesses the body's natural ability to heal itself and reverse effects of premature aging, such as symptoms of wrinkles, skin laxity, and dehydration. When exosomes is delivered deep into the skin, it initiates the skin's natural healing ability and allowing it to rebuild from within. I mentioned earlier that we have to use certain medical devices to help us allow the nanoparticles to be penetrated and absorbed into deep tissue layers. One of the more popular medical devices that's been used by doctors nowadays is what we call microneedling. What I use most in my clinic is a device which utilizes radiofrequency microneedling. It involves using a specialized handheld device to create tiny punctures in the skin, penetrating the skin at a depth ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 3 millimeters. The needles that I use are very fine, such as patients which undergo the treatments just require a layer of numbing cream to manage the discomfort. The burst of radiofrequency energy is transmitted through 5 needles to target the skin layers, stimulating the body's healing response and increasing collagen production. And also, with the micropores created, exosome can penetrate easily to the internal depth. There are many benefits from exosome therapy. First, anti-aging. It allows the skin cells to repair from oxidative stress and thereby reversing the damages from UV damage and aging stress. Next, anti-inflammatory. It treats autoimmune and inflammatory disease by affecting immune cells' function, thereby reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. It also helps to restore youthful skin. It helps to reduce oxidative stress, which is an imbalance between the free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Next, it offers neuroprotection, which helps to protect and regenerate neurons by preventing neurodegenerative disorders. Exosome therapy also helps to repair skin and for tissue renewal. It does so by reduces inflammation and promote tissue remodeling and new blood formation. It is also well known to help in terms of tissue repair and regenerations. Exosome regenerates damaged skin, bones, and cartilage. I've got a patient that suffers from hair loss, which underwent exosome therapy. After a few months, there is evident visible hair regeneration from just the exosome therapy. The next point will be skin hydration and revitalization. Exosomes carries molecules that enhance the skin texture and therefore hydrates and plump up the skin. Last, it helps to produce bouncy skin and reduce wrinkles as well. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, just email us. See you again.